Sir, okay, let's start today's session. Good. See, your target is if you want to learn any course, whether it is full stack Python, data analytics, or data science. So first, your roadmap should be clear, guys. Okay. So let me provide the roadmap. First, you have to learn one programming language. You have to learn one programming language. So Python is mandatory for everyone, guys. Python is mandatory for everyone. Then database. It is also mandatory. So what if you want to enter into software company, Python database, these two things are mandatory, guys. You can't skip these two. One programming language, one database. If you skip these two, then don't think about your jobs. Because in IT sector, everything completely depends on these two. What are those two? One is called programming language called Python. Second one is a database, right? Next, according to your requirement, if you're planning for full stack developer, then you need to focus on UI technology called HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and then React.js, and then Flask or Django or Fast API. These things you have to learn. Done. No, sir. My target is not full stack developer, data analyst or business analyst. Then learn Python plus database. And along with Python database, you have to learn Excel plus Power Query plus Power BI, Excel, Power Query, Power BI, and then stats, and then you need to learn storytelling. These things required, right? If you're planning for what? Data analyst. No, sir. My target is data science. Data science. For data science, your main target is what? Machine learning plus deep learning plus artificial intelligence plus you have to learn R language plus stats plus prompt engineering. These are the basic. High level, advanced level, you need to focus and you have idea about generative AI called Gen AI. Plus, you need to focus on AI agents plus agentic AI. So these are high level, guys, advanced level, right? So whatever the course it might be, Python database is common. So after Python database, you need to plan according to your courses, full stack, otherwise data analyst, or otherwise whatever it might be. Any course you can learn, AI is mandatory, guys. If you are planning for full stack, then what you have to learn? Full stack, Python with AI you have to learn. So data analyst with AI. So data science with AI. Without AI, there is no meaning of data science, first of all. So everything we have to learn what? So with AI is common. And most importantly, for this combination, real-time projects also required. Plus, projects, you have to do it. If you are unable to do projects, then there is no meaning of your course. Compulsory, you have to go for projects. Projects are mandatory. Plus, certificate. If you want to learn, learn with AI, project plus certificate with the soft skills. So these things we need to learn, guys. Okay. Without soft skills means what? Here, starting the two with the projects, what happened? We are getting knowledge on the subject. Oh, good. You have very good knowledge on the subject. But if you go for interview, if you are not presenting properly, then you are not selected. So presentation is very, very important in interview time. How well you learn, that is important. How well you presented, that is also very, very important. Learning is important. Presenting is also important, guys. Both we need to focus. Clear? Now, so let me give a brief view, guys, what full stack developer will do. So the full stack developer, their main target is what? They are going to develop applications. Their main target is they are going to develop application. As a full stack developer, they are going to develop applications like Amazon, IRCTC, or Redbus, so on. So as a full stack developer, their main target, they need to develop applications like Amazon, IRCTC, Redbus, Abibus, Swiggy. These type of applications they are going to develop. Sir, not full stack developer, sir. Data analyst. What data analyst will do? Okay, fine. As a data analyst, their main target is prepare the reports and give information to the management. Guys, I'm just giving overview. Right, internal lot of process there, collect the data, clean the data, pre-process the data. So finding insight, lot of issue things are available in inside, but mainly they have to prepare reports and publish the reports. Then publish reports, comma dashboards. This is their main target, guys. Then, sir, data science. What data science will do? My data science, lot of stories involved. I will give you overview. I'll give you overview. So as a data science, their main target is future prediction. Or what happened in the future? The future predictions are going to done by using data scientist. What is our business in the future? So like the future predictions we will do, your data science, future purpose. Very good. Now, let me show you with example, practical examples, how these are involved. Full stack developer, data analyst, or data science. Let me open a website called Amazon. Guys, do you know Amazon website? मालूम Amazon website? Amazon website. What is the purpose? We can purchase items, products online, right? I want to purchase one laptop, guys. I want to purchase a laptop. Enter. It shows us different laptop, 42,000, 97,000. Oh, yoga laptop. Oh, laptops also doing yogas. Very good. Click on this one. Lenovo Yoga Slim 7 Oppo edition balloon my laptop. So cost is 97,907 rupees. Very good. Nice. Super. Now, if you clearly observe, guys, actually, what is the cost of this laptop? 1,39,890. But right now, what is the cost they offered? 97,907. That means they're giving a discount of 30% discount they are giving. Okay. And imagine, so if you are interested, then what you will do? Add to the cart, then go for payment. Payment done, product delivered. So this is one application. What application name? Amazon. What we are doing? I'm a customer. As a customer, what I did? I open, search, place the order, purchase the items. To develop these type of application, who is required? Who is required means developer. Full stack developer required. A full stack developer is going to develop these type of applications, right? It might be what? Amazon. It might be Redbus, Abibus, whatever it might be. Full stack developer are going to develop these things. Okay, fine. Next, imagine I'm a Microsoft certified data analyst, guys. I'm a Microsoft certified data analyst. So my friend called me and they asked, hey Venkat, you are a Microsoft certified data analyst. Na? I want to purchase this laptop. Can you tell me, is it the right time to purchase this laptop or not? Oh, you want to purchase that? Wait. Now what I'm doing, I just want to observe what is the cost variation, the variance. Now a little bit go below. Observe the graph. If you clearly focus on this graph, actually this laptop cost is 1,02,490 and when July 7th, sorry, June 7th, June 7th, your cost is 1,02,490 rupees. Later, almost the cost is same up to July 9th. Almost 1 month, the cost will be same, no change. Then cost increased, 1,08,000, decreased, decreased, up and down, up and down, up and down. Then suddenly decreased, 97,990. So August 1st. Then the cost almost same up increase. Right now observe 97,907 rupees. That means if I check with the previous history, yes, really they are giving discount. So what I said, yes, mama, it is the right time to purchase the laptop. You can go and purchase the laptop. Right now they are offering with less cost only, right? So how I collected this graph? Based on historical data. Last 3 months data I collected. Based on 3 months data, only cost of the laptop. Last 3 months cost of the laptop collected and I prepared a small graph. Who has to do? Data analyst. Let's go for one more product, not laptop, sir, power bank. I want to purchase power bank. Done. Of course, we have a lot of power banks available. Choose any one. This is 1,990. Okay, let me select this one. Good. Lifelong Oppo, 50% discount, ma. Actual cost is what? 3,999. But now it comes with only 2,000 rupees. 50% discount available. Oh, super. Then my friend called me immediately. What they call? Is it the right time to purchase or not? Right? Immediately I have to inform. Now, based on this one, I have to collect historical data. Based on that, I need to do analysis. Let me do the analysis and prepare the reports. If you observe, sir, it is 1,990 and June 7th, almost same up to in June 10th. So then the cost increased, July 11. Then the cost decreased, sir, 1,799. Actually, Amazon, not only Amazon, some website, what they did, this July 12th, not 12th month, July 11 to observe 14. Again, next day cost increased. So July, if you clearly observe, July 11th to 14. July 11th to 14, there is a big festival sales done. If you recollect. So Amazon, or Flipkart, they said festival sales or Dasra sales, Utsav sales, like they conducted. At the time, what they did, certain item they really give the discount, but certain item before day they increase the cost. Then they give the discount. That's the reason what happened. They said more discount offered. So here also the same thing happened. So actually, if it is 1,999, then if they provided 50%, 60% discount, now very less amount coming. So that's the reason they increase the cost, then providing the discount. Then again observe on August around July 31st to and August 6th. So 1,700 only. Now increased 2,300 increased. Now by seeing this one, I'll inform to my friend. Actually, this power bank cost is some variations occurred. If you wait for some more time, the cost may decrease it because Dasra is coming. Definitely, what they are doing, they are giving the discount only. So wait for some more days. And I think already Amazon or Flipkart, they conducted what, some sale, announced some sale. If you wait for that one, definitely the product cost decreased. Who has to do? Data analyst. To do all these operation, programming language mandatory, database mandatory, Excel, Power BI, reporting tools. We have to learn those things. Let me show you one more example for IRCTC. Let's go for IRCTC. Now, sir, I have traveled from Secunderabad to Vijayawada. When Saturday, search. This Saturday I want to travel. Ma telsa how to book the tickets, train tickets? Malum? Very good. This Saturday I am planning to go, guys. Now here it shows different trains information. So let me book the ticket. This is sleeper 450 ka. Okay, sleeper bus. More waiting list 100. Whether if I book seat, whether my seat is confirmed or not confirmed. Click on confirm probability. At below there is an option called confirm probability. Is it Tatkal time or no? Okay. 37. Not working. Let's go for another train. Now here, this confirm probability, what it's Tatkal time, it won't work, guys. Except Tatkal time, you can check for confirm probability. What it says, how much chances are there to confirm your seat? 70%, 90%, 50%, like it is going to provide what? The percentage, chances, right? So this what happened, prediction whether your seat confirmed or not. It predicted whether your seat is confirmed or not. Data science concept we have to apply. And then in your mobile phone, we are getting weather reports, rain coming, not coming, temperature, how much. So satellite images are coming. With the help of satellite images, they're predicting whether rain coming or not. So how much temperature will come? It is nothing but what? Your data scientist basic role. High level, different things involved, guys. Basic level is that one. Predict what happened the next. So for that purpose, you need to plan any of the course, full stack developer or data analyst or data science, right? 3 options available. You can choose any option, no problem. But whatever it might be, the first concept is what? You have to focus on a programming language called Python. Learn a programming language called Python. This is mandatory. Learn a programming language called Python. Okay. Now, in Python, okay, in Python, guys, I'm directly starts with Python. In Python, what is Python? Python is nothing but it is called as general purpose programming language. Sir, what is Python? Python is a general purpose programming language. So we need to learn Python first. Before moving to Python, up to here, any doubts, guys? First, you should have clarity about your course. Sir, what is my course? What I have to learn? What is my course? What I have to learn? If I finish a full stack developer, then what is my role in the software company? If I finish a data analyst or business analyst, what is my role in the company? If I finish data science, then what is my role in the company? So that if you know your role, if you know your tools, then it is very easy to learn, very easy to move. Okay, check it your roles. Full stack developer, check for your role. Data analyst, check for your role. Data scientist, check for your role. మా క్లియరా? ఎనీ డౌట్స్? అర్థమైందా? ओके। अब डेटा साइंस से ना, डेटा साइंस के लिए क्या चाहिए? मशीन लर्निंग। फर्स्ट पाइथन डेटाबेस कॉमन रहता, मशीन लर्निंग, डीप लर्निंग, आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस, आर लैंग्वेज, स्टैट्स एंड प्रॉम्प्ट इंजीनियरिंग पूरा चाहिए, ठीक है। बट स्टार्टिंग कोर्स इज व्हाट? पाइथन। पाइथन वन प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज कॉमन, so directly I'm going to enter into Python. In Python, our first concept is tokens. In Python, our first concept is what? Tokens. In your notes, make the heading called tokens. I start Python directly. In the Python, first concept is called what? Tokens. Now, guys, whether it is C language, C++, Java, .NET, any programming language, guys, whatever it might be, first concept we have to learn tokens. Sir, what is the purpose of tokens? We need to understand the reason. Good. If I want to take a class, I need some elements. What are the elements required? One laptop required, internet is required, projector is required, board is also required, students required. That means some elements required, then only I can take the session. If I don't have those elements, I can't take session. Same pattern. If I want to develop a program, we need some elements. Those elements are technically called as what? Tokens. To develop program, we need some elements. Those elements are technically called as what? Tokens. Simply you can say that, so the elements which are required to develop program is called as tokens. The elements which are required to develop programs is called as what? Tokens. Second, of course, we have 5 types of tokens available, guys. Tokens are 5 types. They are, first one, literals. Second one, constants. Third one, operators. Fourth one, keywords. Fifth one, identifiers. These are the 5 types of tokens we have. Literals, constraints, operators, keywords, identifiers. Tokens means what? The elements which are required to develop a program is nothing but tokens. They are the 5 types: literals, constraints, operators, keywords, and identifiers. Now, we need to understand one by one, guys. So what is a literal? What is constraint, operator, keyword, identifiers? Let's repeat. Actually, demo session means what? Directly I will start class only, because you have to understand how classes are going on. So data science or data analyst, full stack Python, it's not small topics. It will take time to finish. If I explain first 10 days or 15 days, history of Python or versions of the Python, or some applications of the Python, if I discuss all unnecessary concept, then there is no use. It will take a lot of time to finish the course. So our target is what? Sir, my requirement is full stack developer, data analyst, or data scientist. What is your target? So to become a full stack developer, what I have to learn? Data analyst, what I have to learn? Data science, what I have to learn? Okay, I provide that path. First target, one programming language common. Let's start with programming language. If we finish a little bit early, then remaining time what? We can practice on project works. If you do project works, then it will be more advantage for you. You can add the project work in your resume. So your resume weight is increased. So we have to focus like that. So we are going to start what? So Python, directly I started Python. So observe how I explained today, daily the same process. For everything, I'll open a website, I'll show you, then I will continue, guys, right? Now, first concept, literals. Sir, literals. Literals means, sir, the values in our program is called as literals. The values in our program technically called as what? Literals. If you want to do any program, guys, if you want to do any program, values are very, very important. Without values, we can't do anything. So the values in our program technically called as what? Literals. Now, let's observe practically. Let me show you practically. Now, let me open a website. APSRTC. Then, so it's a bus booking website. APSRTC is one bus booking website. What I'm doing from location, I've traveled from Hyderabad to where? Something Vijayawada. Date, Saturday alna. Check availability. Done. Now I entered from two places date also. It display all buses information. Now I have to book one ticket. Select some locations. Very good. Select a seat. Done. Now I have to provide the details also. Mobile number 8074864650. Email ID venkat@gmail.com. That means I have to provide all these details, guys. Guys, without providing all these details, is it possible to book the seat? No, right? Compulsory, I have to provide all the details. Gender, male, surname, Venkat. Like I have to enter all these details, then only we are able to book the ticket. Otherwise, we can't book the ticket. These are nothing but values. We'll call as values. But your dabba, what it is doing? Dabba called as literals. For us, values. But your mission, it knows only a language called some other language. Na? Technical word is literals. In this one, observe the values 670, 30, 40, 21. So number here, seat number 28. Numbers, but without point. Number available without point. If you observe some other data, 62.2, 823.2, number with point, right? We have two types of the data. One is what? Number available with point. Second one, number available without points, right? So based on this, the categories observed. First one is called integer literals. Second one is floating literals. Okay, I'll give notes for this one. Just understand now. Integer literal and floating literals. Third one. Here email ID. Email is what? Venkat@gmail.com. Gender, male. Name, Venkat. These all are what? string type data. So technically called as what? String literal. So integer literals, floating literals. Third one is what? String literals. Okay, sir. Actually, we are using these three types of data in programming, Python programming. Good. I entered all the details, guys. Then payment, I have to do it. How much amount I have to pay? How much amount? 823 rupees 20 paise. Payment. I done the payment. Transaction failed. Transaction what happened? Failed. Now, does the seat booked? No. Transaction done successfully. Then it will book, right? They ask, hey, transaction done or not done? Not done, sir. No, sir. Oh, no, no. Then don't book the seat. Transaction done, sir. Oh, done. Very good. Book the seat. We'll say whether transaction done or not. Yes, sir. No, sir. Human being says no. But this is what mission. What it will say? True, otherwise false. The technically called as Boolean literals. Boolean literals. So total, how many types of data available? 4 types. Your literals only. The values are technically called as a literals. Literals are classified into 4 types. What is the first one? Integer literals. Second one, third one, string literals. Fourth one, Boolean literals. Integer, floating, string, Boolean literals. Now let's take the notes for this one. Guys, understood? Int, float, string, bool. Say tomorrow, whenever you are developing applications, let's say sometimes we get error. Programs in the sense every time we didn't get what exact answer. Sometimes errors also occurred. So, for example, but don't worry about the code. Literal. So tomorrow, whenever you're doing programs, if you're getting an error called literal, then don't confuse it is nothing but value problem. So your system is expecting a value called int type literal, but you are giving something else. That's the reason that error occurred. So while doing program, it is very, very important to debug the programs. Identify the error, rectify the errors are very, very important. So we need to learn technical words also. Now in your notes, note down the points, guys. The values in our program are called literals. Literals are how many types? 4 types. Kada? Write that point. Literals are 4 types. They are first one is integer literals. Any number without decimal part is called as integer literal. Any number without a decimal part, it is called as integer literals. For example, I ask, hey, what is your age? Oh, you want to know the age? Age means I entered sir 26, sir. So you can ask age any person. Always they give integer number only. No person give, hey, what is your age? Sir, my age is what? 22.345, sir. Anyone? Okay. Age always integer value. There is no floating value, guys. Guys, you tell me one more answer. Which one? Class. 10th class, 7th class. Okay. Inka. Correct. Inka. Any other example? आप बोलिए మీరు చెప్పండి తెలుగే కదా హిందీయా 360 ఏంటి 365 total number of days per year equal to 365 That is also one value. మీరు ఒకటి చెప్పండి ఇంటీజర్ కి. In our daily life, we are working with a lot of values. Bring one value, one integer value. Total amount and point వస్తాయి కదా, సో ఇంటీజర్ లోకి రాకూడదు. Very good. Class strength. So they asked how many persons available. Sir, 20 members are there in the class. Oh, strength is 20. We can't say that, sir, 20.23, sir. Hey, ille, isanako. Right? So next, if you go to restaurant, you ordered, I want biryani something. They give one bill. Then they said, wait, sir. Then they call token number 5, token number 10, token number something, right? Token numbers 5. Integer literal only. Sometimes employee ID 101. Without points, technically it is called as integer literals. Second one, floating literals. Floating literals means what? Sir, any number with decimal part is called as floating literals. For example, petrol cost. Petrol cost equal to 107 rupees 25 paise. So salary equal to 25,000. Height 5.0 or 5.2, 5.6, 6.0, 7.2. Right. Third one is string literals. So string literal means here anything, whatever it might be, doesn't matter. Anything which is enclosed within single or double quotes is called as what? String x. Anything which is enclosed within singular double quotes is called as string literals. Anything which is enclosed within singular double quotes technically called as what? String literals. I ask, hey, what is your name? Name equal to Sir Venkat. Either you can write single course. Hey, what is your course? Sir, course equal to data science or okay, data science. Either single course or double course, anything, no problem. Hey, what is your date of birth? So date of birth is 02 November. Number, symbol, alphabet, all are mixing. So what is your qualification? Equal. Sir, my qualification is MCA, MTech. MCA, MTech is my qualification. Last one is Boolean literals. So Boolean literals means true, comma, false are called as Boolean literals. True, comma, false are called Boolean literals. Actually, Boolean literals we never use directly, guys. It is used in conditions. It is used in conditions only. Directly we never use it. It will be helpful to write the conditions only. For example, I said a condition call, hey, is it your age greater than or equal to 18 or not? Observe, there is a condition I wrote, age greater than or equal to 18 or not. I want to verify you are eligible for vote or not. Then my target is what? I have to check your age. Is it greater than or equal to 18? Yes or no? Yes, sir. Eligible for vote. No, sir. Not eligible. మనం ఏం చెప్తున్నాం? What we are saying? Yes and no. But mission what say? True or false? The true or false technically called as what? Boolean literals. We never use at the time of conditions only we have to use. This is called your literals concept. 4 types. Now finished it? Good. So in Python, we started a concept. Our concept is called what? Tokens. How many types of tokens we have? 5 types. First one, literal. Second one, మర్చిపోయారా అలా మర్చిపోకూడదుమా ఓకే మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి you can observe and you can say but you have to open mouth okay na tokens are how many types? First one, second, third one, fourth one, fifth one. Very good. Now let's start with the literals. The values are technically called as literals. How many types of literals we have? 4 types. First one, second one, third one, fourth one. Very good. Super చెప్పారు. మళ్ళీ ఇంకోసారి one more time. Tokens are how many types? 4 or 5? 5 types. First one, second, third one, fourth one, fifth one. Good. Then we started with the literals. Literals are nothing but values. Literals are how many types? 4 types. First one, integer literal. Second one, third one, fourth one, Boolean literals. That's it. So in classroom, whatever we discuss, that part we have to learn within the class itself. Once you go to hostel, you are a very, very busy person, guys. Everyone knows that one. Even CM also, we got appointment. But for you, it is very difficult to get the appointment, right? So every concept within the institute itself, we have to learn. Some parts within the class, some parts in the lab, we have to learn. Okay. So in tokens, first one is done. What is the second one? Constant. So make the heading second one, constants. Constant is nothing but what, sir? The values which are fixed in our program is called as the values which are fixed in our program is called as what? Constraints. Then the values which are fixed in our program is technically called as what? Constraints. Good, nice. Let's observe. I have 3 members available. Sir, I have 3 members available. Okay, fine, good. Now I'm asking those members. What I'm asking, hey, what is your age? Hey, what is your age? I asked what? Hey, what is your age, right? The first member informed that, sir, my age is 25 years. Second member informed that, sir, 17 years. Third member informed that 30 years. These are the ages of those 3 members. Next year, at the same time, again I asked, hey, what is your age? Does they inform same age? Any changes? Changed. So 725 changed as what? 26. Sir, the values are going to change. Definitely it will change. Change occurred, right? Here, what is the values we are getting? Sir, 26 years, 18 years. Here, 29, 31, okay, 31. Age na always increase, no decrement, guys. So be careful. If you want to learn anything, learn now itself. Okay, done. Here values, but what happened? Changes occur. Okay, let's go for a value called pi. Do you know pi? Pi idea in max, pi value. What is the value of pi? 22/7 means 3.14. Right, very good, guys. 3.14. Nice. Second member also gives answer as what? 3.14. Third member also gives answer as 3.14. Very good, super nice, more or less. Okay. Next target. 3.14. Okay. Does it change it? No, right? This year, next year, after 10 years, previous 10 years, no changes. Okay, very good. One more question, guys. I want to know the number of months per year. Per year, how many months we have? 12 months. So everyone gives the answer as 12 months. Okay, 12 months. 12 months. Sir, we have independence. So that's the reason we have 12 months. We are celebrating very well. Good. Before independence, how many months available per 1 year? Before independence. Roll pakkana. मेरे को मालूम नहीं सर इल्ले 12 months fixed around 18 after 1850 or 1856 onwards 12 months per 1 year. Before that 1850 or 1856 something before that for 1 year 13 months available according to Indian culture. So after 1850 or 1856, so the calendar changed in India. So then onwards we are moving on to 12 months. Okay, Mari anta old manku avasam ledu, but we'll consider as a recent one only. 12 months fixed, no change, right? That means observe here, some values are changed time to time. Gold rate fixed or changed? Always changed. Yesterday one rate, today something. So next month something else, right? Not fixed, always changed. Some values are going to change. Some values are what happen? Always fixed. If the value is changed, called as literal. Value only, but fixed, called as what? Constant. Observe the difference. Both are values only. Sir, what is the difference? If the value changed, literal. If the value fixed, constant. Clear difference? So here, this is technically called as constants. So literals. Here values are changed, so literals. But here, sir, the values are fixed, no change at all. So we'll call as constant. Both are values only. Note down, guys. Interview time, they will ask question as what is literal, what is constant, like that. You have to inform that. So the values which are fixed, constant, which are changed, literal. Interview time, give this definition. The values which are changed is called as literals. The values which are fixed is called as constant. Your task is fixed or changed. That's it. Clear? So today we started with what? Tokens concept. Tokens are how many types? 5 types. First one, second, third, fourth, Fifth, గుర్తుండాలని, you have to remember everything, guys. Okay, small basic. Interview time, what they will ask, simply they will ask what? For example, they never ask direct question, indirect questions come. I want to store phone number. I want to store phone number. Phone number comes under what type of literal? Tell me. Phone number comes under what type of literal? Integer only, na? 807486465 integer. Then they asked, I want to show date of birth of a person. Date of birth. What type of literal? String, very good. Because the number available, alphabet available, symbol available, mixing, right? Then we'll call as string, right? Like this, if they ask a question, understand the real-time requirement, then we have to write. And whatever the topic I discussed today, based on today topic, tomorrow you have exam. But so today what I will do, some data analysis, data science related questions I provide. One exam is there. Daily our target is what? 1 hour class followed by 1 hour exam also, guys. Now we'll go to the lab. In the lab, today I provided certain analysis related questions, guys. Data analysis related questions available. Take the question paper, understand the pattern, then do it. Right? So if it is a first class for both of you, first class, no? First class also, go to the lab also. Verify how lab is going on, because you need to understand how lab is going on also. So go to the lab, check it, how lab is going on, daily exams conducted, weekly grand test, seminar, mock interview, group discussion, these also going on, guys. Because learning subject is important, along with that implementation also important, right? So let's go for lab, guys. Lab, we'll go for lab. That's my online, guys. That's it for today, and we'll meet tomorrow.